What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So today, guys, I want to share with you my swing strategy using Fibonacci options and futures. And I really think this style of trading can benefit a lot of traders because I'm not chasing breakouts. I'm looking for pullbacks. All right. So if you're ready, guys, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, my friends. So we took the 472 calls, January 26th expiry. So next Friday, got in at 380. They're at a high of 614 at the close, 62%. One strike out the money 2 weeks out is what I always use. And I use a particular strategy, which is the 618 pullback. And I want to talk to you guys about that right now. Okay. So when I'm trading options, it's very important for me to get a deal. So if I'm going to buy calls, it's going to be on the way down. And if I'm going to buy puts, it's going to be on the way up. Buy the dip, sell the rip. And the reason that's really powerful is because with options, there is implied volatility. So you want to make sure if you're going in for calls, you're going to get a strong risk to reward if you buy the dip on the way down, okay? So you can see here, guys, we have our typical push up. So I'm on here on the hourly chart and our push back down. So on this push back down here, guys, is where I bought my calls right on this 471.16 area. So I'll hop into the Discord and I'll just show you that. So this was yesterday at 9:30. I called out the play. We're looking for the pullback into the zone. And then you can see here we got filled at 9:56. Send the fire. So we started off with a quick pop from 380 to 414. And then obviously, guys, now we're crushing it. So I still have until next Friday to do that. And the basic concept is this. You look to the left and you say, okay, who is in control? So if we look to the left right here, we could see a very strong push to the upside. So what I'm going to use that information is I'm thinking there's an algo in this push up, so I'm going to continuously buy the dip. And where I want to get it at the 61.8% deal, because that's basically less than half the price of the move. So that's very, very important for me. All right. From there, guys, I also did the same setup, but I used futures contracts. So I was able to get in futures actually overnight. You can get into the market after hours, which is very important. So I went long here on the 618 here, guys. Very similar setup to SPY. The only difference, like I said, is the after hour trading and the leverage. So with futures, every point is $50. So I'm up over 50 points on this trade. I'm up $2,800. One contract with 50 points is $2,500. Okay, it's $50 per point. So that's very important. If you want high leverage, if you want to grow quickly, you can use futures, but they're also very there's risk with it because it's leverage. All right. And I'll put a guide below so you guys can learn a little bit more about that. So I just want to show you that call out. So this is the futures room right here. You can see yesterday at 1328, 618 filled. And then we start to get the pop. And what I'm doing right now, guys, is my stop loss is at break even on this trade. This could be a potential $10,000 plus winner for me. Okay. So, but I need to protect my gains and not give it back. So that's very, very important for me. All right. So just to summarize, with the options, I go 2 weeks out, one strike out the money, and I don't have a stop loss with options because I don't risk too heavy on those. But with the futures, you have to have a stop loss because it's high leverage. Okay, as always, check me out at tradingwars.com. I'm doing a special deal right now, guys. If you buy my book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci, it's going to come with lifetime access. Okay, lifetime access to my swing room. You're going to get lifetime access to the option callouts and the Fibonacci Dragon, which is the futures trading. It's all for one price, $150, and that's it. All right, check me out if you guys are interested. Two major announcements. I'll be live day trading tomorrow on YouTube, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to show you guys how I trade live, and I'm doing a lifetime giveaway, so please comment Fibonacci below if you want lifetime access to the Discord. I'm going to make sure that someone gets, every week I try to give someone at least one or two people lifetime access. Thank you very much. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Drop a like, and I hope this strategy can help you in your performance in 24. Take care, my friends.